Huawei started to produce Themes in China before. We are doing this for a few years, but in Europe compared to China, it's recent. So we tried to find a school that was a reference, and TAI is perfect because here we have all the kind of artistic students. We have people that are into photography, we have designers, we have a combination. So it's a mix of vibrant artistic different elements. Some students, they come to me before the workshop, after the workshop, they come to me and they were asking, what do you think about this image? You think it will work well or not? And when I see the images, we never got something like that. So it's very innovative. I'm pretty sure that everyone here got the idea of how the process works. So everyone learned about it. They have very good insights. The portfolio that I saw, it was amazing. So I don't think how it could be better.